Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the auto navigate to home feature on the Discord application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on this emoji or smiley button down below on the right side corner of the screen. After that, you should scroll down to the app settings section and click on the last icon, advanced, within this category. Here you have two options. The second one is auto navigate to home feature that you can easily enable by clicking on this button on the right side of the screen next to this feature. As you can see, it says that for community servers with home enabled, automatically navigate to a server's home if you've been away for a while. If you want to know about it in more details, click on this learn more about the home beta option. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.